Hey there, Drew Nix again, and yeah, we're in the kitchen again, but this time we're not doing a cooking video because we got all this stuff, and you know what that means? Yep, we're building a PC, baby, let's go, ahaha. So basically how I'm gonna be doing this is, I'm just gonna go over all my parts, why I picked them and crap, things you need to do to like start your build or whatnot, and then because I'm too lazy to do a full build guide, I'm just gonna do a time lapse and whatnot, so yeah, cool, ahaha. Am I suffering? So, you know what we got first? We got the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. Freaking got one. I pressed refresh so many times, I actually freaking got one. Same thing with this freaking graphics card too. It took me like 3 weeks to get all of these, not including shipping too. But basically this is the heart of the build, you know, CPU, but it's really powerful. If you've seen the benchmarks, it's better than the previous $500 10900K by Intel, which used to be the fastest CPU. It's even faster than that. Like, it's heckin' crazy, dude, and it's going for a great price of only $300. Now for my most important part, I got the GPU. You know, this bad boy is better than the previous generation RTX 2080 Super, and it's heckin' amazing. PCIe Gen 4 support, overclocked. It's got like some little RGB. That's pretty epic. But yeah, this is like, these are so hard to get right now. Like, I don't recommend you try. For the body of this gaming beast. Okay, hi friggin' Cooper, I'm trying to do something. But yeah, this is the motherboard. It's like the body for everything crap. Yeah, I went with the B550M Pro VDH Wi-Fi. It's just really good. It's micro ATX board, so it'll fit in my case and whatnot. But it's probably one of the best for micro ATX, except for the Steel Legend series. But that's white. But this is like all black. It's really nice. It's got all the connections I need. And yeah. Now we got the memory. I got 16 gigabytes, 8x2 gigabyte stick, 3200 megahertz. Yeah, it's got CL16 times, and it's freaking RGB, which is epic as heck. It's freaking awesome by XPG. Okay, now we got the SSD here. It's 500 gigabytes. It's NVMe, so it's freaking fast. I don't know how fast it is, but it's like M.2 hecking fast. Just it's really fast. Also, we got a 1 terabyte hard drive that we're going to throw in later because I can't install freaking Warzone on like a 500 gigabyte. That's going to take up like a 2 billion terabyte. I don't know. It's just freaking big. Okay, baby, we got the power supplies. 80 plus gold, so it's hecking epic. You probably haven't heard of this brand before. But I got this for a really good deal. It's going for like 48 bucks. It was on sale. 600 watts, 80 plus gold, great price. Oh yeah, another good thing, it has all black cables. If you would freaking focus. Which is going to be handling basically all our cooling and crap. It's going to be these up here RGB fans. Some of the best like price for fans like ever. This whole package was like 19 bucks. It was the cheapest pack of 3W and fans on like Amazon. It's just good, and it looks colors are good. I like colors. Yeah. And now for the case. This bad boy is probably the cheapest case you can get that's actually good because it got like tempered glass and stuff. This is the exact model. It's micro ATX. I kind of like the aesthetics. There was another one that was going for the same price, but it got off sale before I could buy it. But this one's pretty nice. Okay, we're gonna build it and crap. Yeah, I'm gonna do time lapse. My brother might come and help me maybe with like cable management. I don't know. So yeah, let's just do it. I don't know. Yep. Also, one last thing I forgot. You might want like an anti-static bracelet or anything to put around your foot. I'm going to attach it to my power supply. It's just going to make it so you don't shock anything or accidentally kill any of your parts that I spent freaking weeks trying to buy because they're out of stock everywhere. time to like open up the case and then do the case and yeah, the case. I'm doing case. Now, something you should always do when you get your PC, just take off the glass panel if you have one, and put it into the box. It's gonna make it so there's no chance of it breaking, because you don't want like the glass panel to break because it's glass and glass breaks. Another thing kind of stupid, this case here doesn't come with all the standoffs like installed, so I had to like take this piece from my brother's PC so I could screw them in. Okay guys, I think it is time. You know what time it is? It's graphics card time, baby! Let's go! Just look at this bad boy. Look how freaking nice it looks. Like, look at these fans, dude. Oh, hi Tyus, how are you? But like this is like a lot bigger than I expected. Look at that, like 2 1/4 1/4 like PCIe. This is a heckin' chunker too. It's heckin' hefty as heck. You hacker. And it's got like, okay, I can't wait to put this in. It's finally time, my brethren. Let's put this hecking beast in here. Okay, if we could just actually manage to take this off, okay. Ooh, yeah, you're gonna need to hold that. That is a freaking chunker, dude. Time to boot this bad boy up. I'm just gonna do cable management later. Switch that on, and let's press the power button. Which one? I'm pretty sure that's probably the reset switch. Oh, why isn't the RAM lighting up? Oh, there it is. Oh, look at the graphics card, baby. They got those fans. Ooh, oh yeah. That is a lot of color just thrown at me. The RGB on the fans are a lot better than I thought they would be.
That should be good.
It's super quiet too. Okay, this is awesome. Now comes the worst part of everything. I have to cable manage, and then I had to install a hard drive because I didn't do that earlier and had to take the cage out. So that's gonna be fun, isn't it? Okay, fellas, best part of everything. Get to do the peel. Okay, where's the peel start? Okay, right here is where the peel starts. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I gotta do under here too, shoot. Okay, why is it stretching all the way over here? Like, how much do I need to peel, man? Okay, they need me...
It's all the way under, isn't it?
It's all the way under. Stop. Okay, turns out we need to take out the graphics card because this thing goes like all the way around, man. It's pretty wiggity whack, yo. Okay, and the peel here too. Where's this peel start and where does it end? So much peel. I'm getting overwhelmed with peel. Okay, I got it, man. I got it. Oh. Look at this beautiful... Oh, that took off my band-aid. Look at that beautiful beast. I should stop saying beast because that's kind of cringe. Okay, now let's get the back plate. Oh, this is really nice. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. That's kind of... Don't show that on camera, Cooper. Okay, this is kind of stupid. I have to peel the back panel, the back of the glass panel first. To focus, maybe. Okay, it's not focused. There we go. Gotta peel the back of the panel before I peel the front, which is kind of stupid, you know? But that was pretty satisfying peel. Oh my god. That color, though, on, like, the edges, it looks really good in this light. Looks like a really nice glass panel. But you can't really tell because I got crappy camera quality. Haha. Guys, let's turn it on. Something is wrong. I can feel it. I'm pretty sure it's the graphics card. Give me a minute. I fixing crap. Yep. It's the final peel. Front panel and well this panel, the side back panel, and then the front panel. Okay, let's do this. And that's already off to a bad start. Don't tell me. There. Go. Gotta peel off that sticker later. That looks really heckin' nice, dude. The front one. No, it's not like see-through or whatnot. I'm pretty sure there's a version that is see-through, but it's still heckin' nice as heck. I really love this. Oh. Oh. Oh.